Green Dot Prepaid Card Finance Card Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think prepaid cards are limited, expensive, or inconvenient, but you won't believe what happens next when a card combines accessibility, budgeting, and financial flexibility. Green Dot is a prepaid debit card that allows users to load funds, pay bills, make purchases online and in store, and manage money through a mobile app. No traditional bank account is required. The surprising truth about Green Dot is that it provides tools for budgeting, mobile alerts, and direct deposit, making it a practical solution for gig workers, students, and anyone seeking financial control. Most people get this wrong. They assume prepaid cards don't offer security or convenience. Green Dot includes FDIC-insured accounts for funds, fraud monitoring, and optional bill pay features. Green Dot is best for individuals who need a flexible, low-risk alternative to traditional banking or want to manage spending without overdraft risks. The surprising truth is that a prepaid card can be more than just a payment tool. It can be the practical financial management solution when used correctly. Subscribe for more honest finance and prepaid card reviews to help you manage money smarter and safer.